Magnetic charging cables keep gaming devices powered with quick, secure connections, reducing port wear, cable tangles, and interruptions during gameplay. My today's video is about top 5 best magnetic charging cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ankian-made magnetic charging cable. The Ankian-made magnetic charging cable set delivers an impressively convenient charging experience with its innovative 540 degrees rotating design, combining a 360 degrees magnetic tip and 180 degrees bendable head that easily adapts to virtually any charging position. The strong magnetic connection snaps into place effortlessly, making one-handed operation simple and reliable, especially for drivers, seniors, or anyone who values convenience. Its 3-in-1 compatibility with micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning-style devices eliminates cable clutter, allowing a single solution for multiple gadgets. The magnetic tip also serves as a dust shield, helping protect charging ports from debris and reducing where caused by repeated plugging and unplugging. The subtle LED indicator is a thoughtful addition, making the cable easy to locate in the dark without being distracting. With 6 cables in varying lengths from 1.6 feet to 10 feet, this package offers excellent versatility for home, office, and travel use, making it a practical and user-friendly charging solution. Now our second product is Airup's magnetic charging cable. This 540 degrees rotating magnetic charging cable set stands out for its exceptional convenience, versatility, and durability. The innovative combination of a 180 degrees L-shaped connector and 360 degrees rotating magnetic head provides maximum flexibility, making it comfortable to use while gaming, streaming videos, reading, or browsing online without awkward cable positioning. The strong magnetic connection instantly snaps into place and stays secure, allowing effortless one-handed charging that is especially useful when driving. Compatibility is another major strength, with included micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning-style magnetic tips, supporting a wide range of devices through a single cable system. The double-braided nylon construction feels premium and durable, withstanding over 10,000 bends for long-term reliability. The built-in LED light is a practical touch for locating the cable in dark environments. With 4 cables, multiple magnetic tips, a removal tool, and a 12-month warranty included, this package delivers excellent value. Our third product is Bojiangson magnetic charging cable. This 7-pack magnetic charging cable set offers an excellent blend of convenience, durability, and versatility for everyday charging needs. The standout 540 degrees rotation design, combining 360 degrees swivel movement with a 180 degrees bendable connector, allows users to comfortably charge devices from virtually any angle, making it especially useful for gaming, streaming, reading, or browsing while plugged in. The strong magnetic connection securely holds the cable in place and helps reduce wear on charging ports. With micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning-compatible magnetic tips included, the system works seamlessly across multiple devices, reducing cable clutter. The variety of cable lengths, from a portable 1.6-foot option to a generous 10-feet cable, ensures the right fit for travel, office desks, vehicles, and home use. Built with premium aluminum connectors and durable braided nylon, the cables are designed to withstand thousands of bends and insertions. The dust-proof magnetic tip is another practical feature that helps protect charging ports and extend device longevity. Now in number 4, Terasako magnetic charging cable. This magnetic charging cable set is a practical and versatile solution for users who want a more convenient way to keep their devices powered. The 360 degrees rotating magnetic design makes connecting the cable effortless, allowing quick one-handed charging without fumbling to align connectors correctly. Its strong magnetic attachment provides a secure and stable connection that stays in place during normal use, helping prevent accidental disconnections while charging. Compatibility is another major advantage, as the included micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning-style magnetic tips allow a single cable system to work across multiple devices, reducing clutter and simplifying everyday charging. The assortment of cable lengths, 3 feet, 6 feet, and 10 feet, adds excellent flexibility for use in cars, at desks, on sofas, or beside the bed. The package delivers outstanding value with 5 cables and multiple magnetic tips included, making it ideal for families or users with several devices. Backed by a 12-month warranty, this charging kit combines convenience, reliability, and affordability in one complete package. And our last choice is Alpha Magnetic Charging Cable. The Alpha 16-pin magnetic charging cable stands out as a thoughtfully engineered solution that blends innovation, durability, and everyday convenience. Designed with a handcrafted production approach and backed by an in-house R&D team, it aims to deliver a more refined and user-friendly charging experience. Its universal USB-C compatibility supports a wide range of modern devices, including recent iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel series, making it highly practical for multi-device users. The added 480 megabits per second data transfer capability enhances functionality, offering significantly faster performance than standard wireless transfers, though it does not support video output. The unique 16-pin flathead magnetic design ensures a secure, case-friendly fit while also acting as a dust protective seal when not in use. Built with nylon braided material and tinned copper wiring, it is engineered to withstand over 50,000 bends while maintaining stable, safe charging with minimal heat. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.